Sup, it's Elijah here, and let me welcome you to another video by Financial Anatomy. This is the place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We cover apps that involve money on this channel and personal finance. We're going to be talking about the Chime app and how you can set up reoccurring transfers inside the banking app. A reoccurring transfer is simply a transfer that will occur every single week, every 2 weeks, or every single month, depending on which one you want, from one account to another. One of those accounts has to involve Chime, of course. So let's open the banking app up and then click on where it says Move at the bottom of the screen. Once here, scroll down where it says Manage Reoccurring Transfers and select how frequently you want this to be. For this example, I'll click weekly and we'll select Wednesday. Hit save. Then choose exactly what bank accounts you want to be transferring money from. One thing to keep in mind is that recurring transfers can only be done from a bank account to Chime. You can't set up a recurring transfer from Chime to another bank account. Don't know why, but that's just how Chime wants it. So pick which bank account you want and select the amount of money you want to do. I'll just click $5 for this example. Click Review and then hit Schedule. And an external reoccurring transfer has been set up to happen every single Wednesday. Click Got It, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to cancel this reoccurring transfer at any point, just click on Manage Reoccurring Transfers, and you see what we've already set up. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click Delete. It's letting me know all future transfers will be stopped. Confirm if you'd like to proceed. I would, so I'm going to hit Delete. And the recurring transfer has been deleted. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in this video. And I've made several other Chime tutorials that you can check out in the playlist that's linked in the description. Catch you later, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.